Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that you are doing well and by the grace of Almighty Allah. So at this time you can see with me this is Rushan. He is my student. Right now I'm going to ask some questions to you. So Rushad, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so first of all you have to make conversation with me. Okay. So may I talk to you?
Yes, sure.
Okay, what's your full name?
My full name is Abdullah Rushad.
Okay, what may I call you?
Rushad.
Okay, so where do you live?
I live in Potokali at Badghar.
Very good. So how many members do you have in your family?
There are 4 members in our family.
Okay, do you have any sibling?
No.
Okay, what does your father do?
My father is employed.
Where do you study?
I study at Potokali Gov Jubilee High School.
Okay, what class are you in?
I am reading in class 7.
Okay, that's very good. So, can you speak English?
Yes.
Okay, where do you learn English?
I learn English at Alif English Academy.
Okay, sounds very good. So, do you like pizza?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you prefer, tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Okay, that's very good. So, do you like English?
Yes.
Okay, so now I will not make it longer. So, Allah Hafiz, and he is doing very well.